Is life merely a complex arrangement of molecules, or does it hide a deeper purpose? Today, we journey into the philosophy of biology, where science and philosophy meet in a thoughtful dance of ideas and inquiry. We begin with ancient questions that have sparked wonder for centuries, questions that remain at the heart of modern science. In the early days, natural philosophers examined the building blocks of life through observation and inquiry. Their ideas paved the way for a dialogue that continues to challenge our understanding of existence. At the crossroads of biology and philosophy, we encounter the tension between reductionism and holistic exploration. Reductionism asks if the secrets of life can be unraveled by breaking processes into their simplest components. This view insists that every biological phenomenon follows chemical and physical laws. However, many thinkers argue that life is too rich, too complex, to be reduced solely to molecules. By looking beyond the minutiae, holistic perspectives remind us that meaning and purpose permeate the living world. Throughout history, debates have erupted over the nature of life. Aristotle's musings introduced the idea of final causality, a purpose inherent to natural phenomena that lends every function a hidden significance. His teleological approach provided a contrasting lens to the mechanistic outlook that emerged later. With the advent of Darwin's theory of evolution, scientific inquiry embraced natural selection as a driving force behind biological diversity. Yet even in evolutionary theory, debates persist. Do the processes that shape life point to a purposeful design, or are they merely the random outcomes of chance and necessity? This conflict between reductionist methods and teleological explanations has defined the evolution of biological thought. Modern scientists and philosophers work to bridge these views, seeking a synthesis that honors the complexity of living systems. Contemporary insights illuminate that while molecular biology can decode life's chemical language, it often falls short of explaining the intricate web of interactions, context, and adaptation found in nature. Here, philosophy provides the space to question, to explore, and to integrate these diverse perspectives into a richer understanding of life. Visualize historical manuscripts rich with the ideas of ancient scholars juxtaposed with modern scientific diagrams that map genetic codes. This blend of imagery reminds us that the evolution of thought is as layered as the natural world itself. As we move through the ages, the dialogue intensifies. Intellectual tension mounts as researchers and philosophers confront foundational questions. Does life adhere strictly to observable laws, or does it exceed our current logical frameworks with an elusive, purposeful quality? In our exploration, we discover that the philosophy of biology is not solely an academic exercise. It is a journey that nurtures critical thinking, urging us to question our assumptions and embrace complexity. By challenging reductionist narratives, we are invited to consider how life thrives even in its molecular minutiae, and yet blossoms with unpredictable spontaneity. This inquiry has practical implications. It reshapes the way we teach science, inspiring educators and students alike to look beyond the surface. As our journey unfolds, we reflect on the enduring mystery of existence. Each scientific discovery and philosophical debate drives us to consider that life is not merely a sequence of reactions, but a dynamic story of adaptation, change, and wonder. The interplay of ideas instills a sense of curiosity and reinforces that understanding nature requires both scientific rigor and philosophical reflection. Now, as we reach the conclusion of our exploration today, we stand at a crossroads of inquiry and reflection. The synthesis of reductionism and teleology encourages us to see life in its full spectrum, from the molecular to the soulful, from the measurable to the mysterious. Embrace the interconnectedness of ideas as you ponder the fundamental questions of existence. Join us as we explore these profound questions, bridging the gap between science and philosophy to uncover the essence of life.